Everyone, hope you all are doing fine. So in this video I will discuss about the important questions arising in the mind of most of the student who want to take admission in CMA or in any other professional like CA, CS, ACCA, CFA, MBA. So in this video I will try to clarify all the question answers of all the questions. Okay guys, so most of the student has a doubt whether they need to go under CMA after 12th or after BCom. Okay guys, so every aspect has some positive or negative aspect I will discuss about, and at the end of the video I will also tell about which mode I have chosen. Means I have entered in CMA after clearing 12th or after clearing BCom. So and what is the benefit and advantages and disadvantages of both categories. Okay guys, so guys, as you know that most of the students who are in 11th or 12th has a predetermined mind that after 12th in which course they are doing. They are going for regular colleges or they pursue a specific professional course like CA, CS, CMA, MBA, ACCA and CFA and CIMA, many other courses. Okay guys, so but some of the students chosen the other way, like they go under like regular colleges and they spend around 3 and as you know that we need to 3 years regular colleges, and after result and receiving the documents certificate at least 3.5 or 4 hours it will take. Okay guys, so and as you know that most of the student in the recent years clear their 12th in 17th or 18th. So suppose after clearing in the 18th age a student want to take admission in CMA, so around 4 within 3.5 or 4 years he can easily completed his CMA. And suppose on the other hand those students they are entering into CMA course after BCom, so in the 18 they have entered regular colleges and around 3.5 5 year it will take 3 years, and you receive till your certificate of clearing BCom and taking admission in CMA, planning for the admission in CMA. So it will take around 3.5 years. So 18 plus 3.5 years means around 22 years, 20 years in the age you are entering into the CMA, and from this you also take 3 or 4 more years. So around 26 years you will clear your CMA if you are clearing in one attempt. Okay guys, and on the other hand those student has taken admission after clearing 12th, mostly they will clear in the age of 22. Okay guys, nowadays one of my friends CMA Ansika Tyagi has cleared his CMA in 21st age. So look at the benefit. They has a lot of age, they have a age benefit. They can do preparing in any other courses, CA, CS and CIMA London, CFA and many other courses. They have a age benefit. They can pursue for PSU preparation. Lot they have a benefit, but those students who are in the stages who they are completed 26 or 27, and I'm not saying that age is just a number, but I'm just want to explore the benefit after clearing 12th. Okay, I have also completed my CMA in 22 age, so we have a lot of time to explore ourselves. Okay, so I will suggest most of the student they should try in while they are in 11th or 12th standard, they should understand that key after 12th what they need to do. They just focus on 11th and 12th, and in Saturday or Sunday when they have a holiday or they have a time, just discuss with the senior key which is beneficial, what are their interest in which subject or in which field. So you need to clarify or understand your field of interest which is beneficial when they you cleared your 12th, and you have a proper vision in which core area you want to pursue. Okay guys, so you have a lot of benefit when you clear your CMA or any other professional courses within 22 years old or 23. So you have a age benefit. You can go to any other field, like you have a earlier you have an interest in costing, you can move to finance or move to PSU preparation. So because you have a age benefit, but you have cleared 27 28 year CMA, so there is a family pressure, family responsibility, and the main point arising for marriage. So for girls 22, after 22 or 23, families pressure for marriage, and for boys 26 or 27. So but before marriage you have a you can take risk, okay guys, because we do not have such responsibilities, okay guys. So if you talk about myself, so I have a predetermined decide that ki I will go with, after 12th I will go with CMA. So I have cleared my 12th and entered into a CMA admission, and within 4 year I have completed my CMA with 1.5 year within 1.5 years practical experience, okay guys. So I'm not saying about myself. A lot of many other my friends like CMA Rohan Sharma, CMA Ansika Tyagi, and many other have completed there in the early ages. So there is a lot of benefit completing CMA or any other professional courses in the early ages, okay guys. But I am not saying that ki if any student who want to start CMA in 30th age or 28 29th, no, you have to, yes, you can start at any age is just a number. But I want to say for those students who watch this video when they are 11th or 12th, so they can get an idea of deciding their career, okay guys. So after watching this video, if you have any doubt, you can comment me and surely I will try to help you, okay guys. So that's all about in this video. Bye guys, thank you so much guys.